They're having a great time. On the shorter side, deep mid-wicket in place, and finally, Tanzil Hassan Tamim was trying to find the boundary to mid-wicket. And the very first ball of Hassan Nawaz, he finds the fielder and perishes.
Was always on the cards. Tanzil Tamim has been struggling over the last couple of overs, especially against the off-spinners. Once again, Mahdi Hassan brings in off-spinner Hassan Nawaz, and he was rewarded right away. Good catch in the deep. Hassan Nawaz strikes. The set batter in the form of Tanzil Hassan Tamim departs after scoring 41. Rajshahi 82 for 5.
Mr. Noodles, amazing taste.
Two overseas professional at work for Rajshahi Forest in the middle. Jimmy Neesham has been joined by Ryan Ball. Playing at 194th game, certainly a big hitter. But will have his work cut out against a good quality bowling lineup of the Royals. Oh, turn. That surprised Ryan Ball. Was quick, 97.2. Deviation, beaten all ends up.
Was in the cards. Was always in the cards. Tanzil was struggling to time the ball. Even a short pitch delivery handed a straightforward catch to the fielder at deep mid-wicket. It's the pressure of those dot balls. Credit goes to Mahdi Hassan and the bowlers.
And not much things have gone Rajshahi Warriors' way today. Coming into this game as table toppers, some momentum, quality side on paper, good quality captain. And on the day, they have been overpowered by a quality side as well, like Chattogram Royals. And something that did not work on the Rajshahi Warriors side is their run rate in the last 5 overs. Right throughout the competition, they have the least when it comes to death overs from 16th over to 20th. Is that only at 7.33? There you go, that's a confirmation. That's from 16 to 20th. At least to get 8 runs per over, 9 runs per over. One of these has to carry through. Get a 140 and from then hope the fast bowling cartel or the battery of fast bowlers what Rajshahi Warriors has in their side can blow the Chattogram Royals top order.
But I love the attitude of Chattogram Royals captain and the players. Bowled again, running the first one hard. Have to settle for a single. You mentioned the fact that Chattogram Royals are the underdogs against Rajshahi Warriors, but the way Chattogram fielded and the captain led from the front, it reminds me of a quote. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog.
Well done, Mazhar finally got one out. Solid drive for a single as the 15th over comes to an end, 85 for 5.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.